I'm Sophie Howe, I'm Future Generations Commissioner, and my hope for future generations is that we take decisions in a way which recognise the connections between health, wealth and well-being.
Enw i yw Lily, fi'n dod o Ysgol y Preseli a fy gobeith am y dyfodol yw cyfartaledd rhwng diwylliannau.
Hi, my name is Will, I'm from SDP, and my hope for future generations is international cooperation.
Yn fenw i Martha Boom, dwi'n dod o Ysgol y Preseli a gobeith am dyfodol, dwi'n credu dylai pawb yng Nghymru ymdrechu i siarad Cymraeg.
My name is Nancy from Howell School Llandaff, and my hope for the future generation is that different cultures are maintained, respected and celebrated.
Fy enw i yw Megan Bowen, rydw i'n dod o Ysgol Gyfun Cymru ac fy ngobaith ar gyfer y dyfodol yw cyfartaledd incwm ar gyfer pawb.
Hi, I'm Dave Jones from St Albans Arcee High School in Pontypool, and my hope for future generations is further transparency within international politics.
Fy enw i Megan Howard, rwy'n dod o Ysgol Cymru a fy ngobaith ar gyfer y dyfodol yw cydraddoldeb i menywod.
Hi, my name's Hamer, I'm from Howell School, and my hope for future generations is for the privileged to support, respect and give voice to marginalised groups in society.